The Little Prince. I can read. Step by step.
Day 1. Level 1.
My drawing is not of a hat. So, I draw an elephant inside the snake. This is drawing number 2.
Level 2.
My drawing was not of a hat, so I drew a picture of an elephant inside a snake. This is drawing number 2.
Level 3.
My drawing was not of a hat. My drawing was a drawing of a big snake after eating an elephant, but they didn't understand. So I drew another picture to show the elephant inside the snake. This was my drawing number 2. They could understand drawing number 2.
Level 4.
My drawing was not a picture of a hat. It was a picture of a boa snake with an elephant in its body. But the grown-ups were not able to understand it. So I made another drawing. I drew the inside of the boa snake. Now the grown-ups were able to understand it clearly. They always need an explanation. My drawing number 2 looked like this.
Original book.
My drawing was not a picture of a hat. It was a picture of a boa constrictor digesting an elephant. But since the grown-ups were not able to understand it, I made another drawing. I drew the inside of the boa constrictor so that the grown-ups could see it clearly. They always need to have things explained. My drawing number 2 looked like this.
해석과 읽어보기.
You did it.